Dear students, in this class, you are going to learn writing a report. So, most of you don't know what is called a report. A report is known as the document of facts. Okay? So, what happens here is right now you are in second semester. So, in fifth semester, you will send to some industries to gain industrial experience. Okay, and after finishing of that industrial visit, and you are asked to submit a report on which industries you visited and what experience did you get and who cooperated you there, and so whatever the experience you get, you should write in this report. So have a glance over writing a report explanation. As we enter the reporting field, we will learn how to write reports or writing the facts. It is creating an account of statements that describes an event, situation, or occurrence, usually as the result of observation or inquiry. Writing report is different from other forms of writing because it only includes facts, not the opinion or judgment of the writer. So here writing reports plays an important role in your student life, because one day the other day you have to write a report wherever you go for industrial tour. Okay, and you have to write the facts you experience in that industry. So when you are asked to write a report, you will usually be given a brief report which provides you instruction and guidelines. The report brief may outline the purpose, audience, and problems or issue that your report must address, together with any specific requirements for from format or structure. Requirement, format or structure you have to follow while writing a report. Okay, based on that, and you will be given slide number 2 in this. So whenever you are asked to write a letter, a report, and what instructions you have to follow, so unless until you learn, you can't write the report perfectly without committing any mistakes. Okay, for that, and you have a format for this report writing. So then have a glance on slide number 2. So here first comes, okay, introduction. The format of the more extensive report is as follows. Okay, so the first thing is title page. This is the most important point. Title page. The page contains the title, details of the student who submit the details, and whom this report is submitted, and a place, date of the visit. So what this title page contains is, so this title page contains title, details of the students, and who submit, whom this report is to be submitted, and a place where he visited, and a date of the visit should be mentioned in this title page. The second one is slide number 3. Have a glance over that, and in this also some introduction part is there. So this section presents information about the industry visited in brief, mode of transport, details of the important people. So here in introduction part, what comes? This section presents the information about the industry visited. It means which place you have visited, okay, that should be written in brief, and in that you should write the mode of transportation and its details, okay, and as well, and whom the important persons you met in that industry and how they cooperate you should be written in this introduction. Next, third point is objective. So in objective, so what we can concentrate is, while writing this report in objective part, so the purpose of your visit has to be clearly mentioned here. So for what you have visited that particular what industry, what for you have visited, and what you have done there should be written very clearly in this objective part. So up to here we have learnt first introduction part, second title page, and third one is introduction, and fourth one is objective, and like that, and you will have some important few more points to be continued in our next class in slide number 4th. So see you all of you tomorrow in our next class. The same topic will be continued, and whatever I have discussed with you in this class, and have a glance after going back to your homes or rooms, okay, and go through the details and what do you mean by a report writing, okay, and what methods or format you have to follow, and prepare well, and some more important points left over, and they will be continued in our next class tomorrow. See you all of you student.